Hi guys, welcome to the weekly updates, October 30th, 2019. It's me, Barb, here to give you all the updates for the week, wearing my Halloween shirt. Of course, it's freezing in my stamp room, so I always have to have a jacket on. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is they are going to have some videos announcing the top performers in the company from last year. So that would have been October 2018 through September 30th, 2019. And they're going to post that video, let's see, November 5th at 1 o'clock Stampin' Up! Time, 1 o'clock Mountain Time. And so this is very exciting. They're going to include the Global 100, country top overalls, country top sales, top recruiting, top leaderships. This is going to give us a chance to celebrate with everybody on our teams who will be announced in these videos. So I'm super excited about that. Next, they list a little bit of information about the online extravaganza that's going to be happening in November. This is usually kind of like a Christmas thing. They used to do it on Black Friday, over that Black Friday weekend, but they've since changed that because obviously there's nobody in the office during those days, and the rest of us are busy with our families, and so they decided to bump that up a little bit, which I'm super excited that they're doing that because it's going to be really helpful to kind of get that sale done, get those sales in, and then just be able to relax with family after that over the Thanksgiving holiday. So that's going to be November 20th through 22nd. There'll probably be a number of items on sale. I have no idea what they are. They haven't told us yet, but they will be communicating that to us here in the next couple of weeks, I would imagine. All right, this is the last week to pre-order the Christmas Time is Here products. Now, of course, November 1st, they will be live for us still and customers as well. So if you are interested in getting those items in the month of October, perhaps you're in pending and need to buy some things to get out of pending, this suite of products is amazing and it'll be the perfect thing to get you out of pending. So that'll be going November 1st is when it'll actually start for customers. And I'm just super excited about that. It's beautiful. The paper is beautiful. The stamp set is beautiful. The dies are really fun. The glimmer dots and the ribbon, I love it all. The bracelet, beautiful. Just love everything about it. All right, the new paper trimmer pre-order ends the 31st, and then it goes live to everybody on the 1st. Now, they will be releasing the trimmer without replacement blades available, but I don't really think that's going to be a problem because I've had my trimmer now since the beginning of October, and I cut a lot of paper, and my blade is still sharp. So I have no problems with them not releasing the blades at the same time as the trimmer. I don't think a normal stamper is going to need a replacement blade before they're available in January, so not a big deal. All right. So World Card Sending Week results, they said, as everybody was posting the number of cards they were sending throughout the Facebook groups, the total cards that were sent was 52,519. We are amazing as demonstrators. Yay, that is amazing that we could get together and send that many cards. I love making and sending cards. All right, so if you reported results, your name was automatically entered into a random prize drawing and they will notify the winners. So I hope we all win. All right. The Simple Stamping Challenge for November is going to be congratulations or celebration cards. So they have, i.e., a card that celebrates someone. So I guess that could really be a lot of different things. The supplies are stamps, ink, paper, and an embellishment. So be sure to hashtag your projects Simple Stamping when you post them on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. If you have YouTube and you use hashtags on YouTube, I think one of Dina's gals, Deb, if I remember right, was a winner. So I can hardly wait to see what you win, Deb. Please post and let us know. So people actually win in hashtag Simple Stamping. All right, moving on. Okay, the Magnolia Lane Bulk Designer Series paper pack, the pack that was available only to demonstrators, is now available to customers as well. It is $17 and it has 20 sheets, 10 of 2 different designs, and they are 2 of the designs from the Magnolia Lane paper pack that's in the catalog. The designs are really pretty. You can find that information on the website here, or you can go to the online store and just plug in item code 152455 and you can see it there, and then you can order it. And like I said, customers can now order that also. All right, mailing selector for the occasions and celebration catalogs is coming up starting November 1st. We will be able to finalize mailing selectors through November 30th. Keep in mind, you may only do it one time. So as I've mentioned before, for me personally, what I do is I go in there in the beginning of November and I pull out, I put a check mark next to all the customers that I'm sending catalogs to. And then as I get new customers throughout the month, I add them to my list. And then I put a reminder in my phone on November 29th that I have to finalize it the very next day so that I don't forget to do that. So the catalogs, I believe, let's see if I can find out really quickly how much they are going to cost. The occasions catalogs are $1.20 each, and the celebration brochures are 55 cents each to put on your mailing selectors. So keep that in mind. Some of you, if you only have local customers, it might be better for you just to wait and pre-order and order a package of occasions catalogs and celebration brochures and hand them out that way rather than mailing them out. So you're just going to have to decide for yourself which is a better way for your business. A lot of gals prefer to order catalogs in bulk, put labels on them, include wish lists, include upcoming class files, maybe include a little gift of some sort, and mail them out themselves. Others prefer to have Stampin' Up! Do the mailing for them, and then some just have local customers and hand them out. There's no right or wrong way to do it. You just have to figure out which way works best for you. I've done it both ways. It's a lot less work to have Stampin' Up! Do it, but you can't include any marketing materials with that. So it's kind of a toss-up. It's around Christmas, and Thanksgiving and stuff. Do you have time to do a bulk mailing? Again, you're just going to have to figure that out for yourself and determine, what's going to be better. I do believe that sending out one catalog costs about $1.50-ish. Don't quote me on that. I'm not positive. Or $1.75, something like that. Because I did that for the holiday catalogs, and I think they're about $1.75 a piece. Plus you have the cost of the envelope too, plus the cost of your catalog. So keep all those costs in mind. See what works for your budget. Okay. And I'll post some reminders throughout the month on our team pages, reminding you guys that the mailing selector is coming up, and be sure to close it if that's what you're doing. All right. They did let us know that the paper pumpkins in December are going to be delayed a little bit. The cutoff date is still the 10th. The billing dates will still be the 11th through the 13th, but the shipments will not be processed until the 14th through the 16th of December. Oh, this is for December. I'm losing my mind. I was thinking, I was reading December, but in my mind, I was thinking November. So we're in December. The November paper pumpkin is not affected. December's kit, whatever it may be, who knows, is going to be delayed. So December 14th through the 16th will be when it is sent out. So they're giving us a little bit of a heads up like that, just with all the hullabaloo of Christmas and shipping and everything. I guess there's just some issues. And so that's going to take a little bit of time. The Succeed Weekly email is for the Christmas time is here. Sweet. They've got some cute little projects in there because you can use that beautiful rose for other occasions than Christmas, just so you know. If you colored the rose yellow, it could be a gorgeous birthday card. You could color it pink. It could be somebody's wedding card. I mean, there's multiple things you can do with a rose, so keep that in mind too. So there's some really pretty projects on there that you can copy and share with your customers. Okay, let's see about last week what we have. Occasions catalog and celebration brochures are coming. The mailing selector is the 1st through the 30th. Mid-November, everybody is going to get their complimentary catalogs. You do not have to place an order December 1st to get that in your first order. Everyone's catalogs are going to be mailed at the middle of November. So everybody will have a complimentary catalog, hopefully before the end of the month, before the end of November. Let's see. On November 18th, the PDFs of both catalogs will be available online. December 2nd, pre-order begins and runs through December 3rd. We will also be able to earn celebration rewards with our pre-order, so that is super exciting. And then January 3rd, the occasions catalog goes live and celebration begins. All right, I think that is it, you guys. Remember, if you guys are in pending, you have a few days to get out of pending. Then we have November 1st, we have the start of the Christmas time is here, and the trimmer is available. So keep all those things in mind. Again, if you guys have any questions at all, post them as comments below, and we will answer them for you. So thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you later.